What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And if this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. This is a platform that I use to show individuals how to create an income online. And for today's subject, I will be talking about what is stopping you from success. So go ahead and hit that like and share button, and let's go ahead and get into this subject. Alright, so what is stopping you from your success? Alright, the root of your problems is the mindset towards the problems. Mindset. I love a quote. It's in Bob Marley's song called Redemption Song. And he says, "Emancipate your mind from mental slavery. No one but yourself can free your mind." And I love that quote because it's true. Mindset. A lot of things we do, it's all mindset. So I'm going to help you realize that, hopefully. And his below comment success value if you did get any value from this video. All right, let's dive into this. So laziness, that's one thing that is stopping you from success. I'm too lazy. All right, you need to start asking informative questions to yourself. How can I stop being lazy? That's one way to switch your mindset. How can I stop being lazy? If you have laziness, don't say I'm too lazy to do this. Basically like, it's too hard. Hear that? It's too complicated. It's like, you got to change your mindset. How can I stop being lazy? Here's another one that is stopping you from success. I have no support. Nobody wants to help me. You got to help yourself first. I have to take matters into my own hands. That's what I would have to say. Take matters to your own hands when it comes to success, because a lot of people, I don't know if you ever heard this quote, it's for basketball people, where they say, you wasn't with me in the gym when I was shooting, when I was practicing, now that I'm successful, where were you? You don't always have to you don't need support. You need to support yourself. You need to build up that mental strength to see that you have greatness within yourself and that you have everything that you need to move forward to be successful. So take matters into your own hands. All right, another one that is stopping you from success. No money. I don't have money to start. It's really words like that saying I don't have this or I don't have that, that it's putting within our subconscious that we don't have these things, so that when we do that, we're not going to have it, because we keep telling ourselves that. We got to change the way we talk to ourselves. There was another video I did where I basically was talking about, stop talking bad to yourself. You got to stop talking negative and start talking bad about yourself. Here's a way you can switch it up. It's like, how can I make a few $100 with a side hustle so that I can reinvest it? That's if you don't have any money to be successful. Like, what can you do? What skills can you use so that you can have money? Side hustle. Here's another one. Lack of talent. I don't have any talent. I don't have any skills. Look, I didn't know how to make videos on YouTube, but I did it. People say, oh, I'm not talented enough. I don't have this. You have to look within yourself. Maybe you should question it like this. I bet hard work beats talent, which it does. Consistency beats everything. Consistency beats everything. I give an example. When I was younger, I taught myself how to play the piano. Every single day, I sat down and I practiced and I listened. I didn't have anybody to tell me to learn this song and learn that song. I put it within myself to sit there, to practice, and to learn on a consistent basis. I just sat there and I learned, and I knew it was hard, but hard work beats talent. I wasn't talented at the time, but what that did for me, when I sat there and I practiced, I was able to, once I got into 19, 20, my early 20s, within my early 20s, then I was able to use that same hard work that turned into a talent to create my own income by traveling, being a traveling musician. All from me being consistent and hard work. I didn't have anybody sit there and show me stuff. I did it on my own. So hard work beats talent, I'm telling you. Procrastination. This is another one. I can't do it tomorrow. I have time. Look, let's use some self-reflection. It's better to do it today than it is to do tomorrow. I know, I understand. You get tired. You get frustrated. It's tough. I work a very physically demanding job. I work in surgery, and I'm moving patients that's over 200 pounds. I'm lifting equipment and pushing equipment that's thousands of pounds, and not lifting but pushing equipment that's like over 1,000 pounds. And I understand, you can't procrastinate because you're physically tired, but sometimes you have to have that self-reflection. That's why I put this on here. Let's use some self-reflection. Is it better to do it today than it is to do tomorrow? Because what if tomorrow is a crazier day at work, whereas I had a little bit more energy today, and now I push it off to tomorrow, and now I still have to do the stuff I needed to do yesterday, today, and I still have to do stuff that I need to get done today. So it's like, it's better to do it today than to do it tomorrow. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. Comment below if it makes sense. Let me know. Comment. I like to hear your comments. Another one, that is stopping you from success. Lack of ideas. I don't have an idea. Well, let's get creative. Create one. Create an idea. I mean, we live in an information age. Go online, look up some ideas, look into what you're passionate about, and then look up different ways that you can use your passion to create something. That's how you can create some success. And I think is this my last slide? I can't remember. So the problem is not the problem itself. Focus on the root of the problem. Yes, this is my last slide. And the root of the problem, which I stated in the beginning, is mindset. It's your mindset. Whatever you set within your mind, that's what you're going to get out. If you believe you can't make money online, you're not. If you believe you can, you can. Now, along with mindset, this is a little bonus part. Along with mindset, you have to take action. You can believe. Same way, like, this is just an example I'm about to use. Same way with, oh man, I'm gonna win the lottery one day. But you don't go out and buy the tickets. You don't do the numbers. Just using this as an example. It's the mindset. You have to first put it in your mind, then you have to put into action. Put into action what you want. So here it is, people. What is stopping you from success? I really hope you got some value from this. These are some things that I look into. I do a lot of self-reflection on myself because I'm growing more as an individual, more as a business person. And if you did find some value from this video, just comment below value. And if you are looking to get into business, I do have a free 15-day business plan set up for you. Just click on the link below and get you started. All right, peace out. Hope to see you on the inside.